Hi everybody, it's Nadia here again, and I'm bringing to you my declutter of my bronzers and sculpting things. So I'm just gonna, what's on top, put into these trays. I've got a lot of bronzers, a lot, and contour, so I'm going to start with these ones. This Arabian Glow bronzing powder, it's brand new, never been used, so I'm going to keep this one. The Mark one, which again is also brand new, but I'm not keen on that one, so I'm going to get rid of that one. This Elf matte contour blush and bronzer, the gorgeous colours. I'm just going to put it in with my blushes though. Sculpt, don't like this shade at all, but I do like this for carving out my cheeks, so that is definitely staying. I love this Ted Baker. It's got a blush and a bronzer with it, and it's really nice, so definitely going to keep that. It's brand new from Avon. They're not my colours, so that can actually be passed on. These Avon balls, I don't use them, I really don't, but they just want throwing because they're extremely old. Bronzer by I Heart Makeup. I'm going to put that in there to test, because I honestly don't know if I like it or if it's too much. I'm definitely keeping my Chanel one, guys. This Too Faced one in medium deep, so I'm going to get rid of that one. This little cargo one, this is really nice and I do really like it, so I'm going to keep that one. This kit, it's got powders in and bronzers and things like that. Just once been out and wouldn't pass that on. I've got the Bare Minerals bronzer. And bronzer, I'm not going to use that at all, so that can actually go. Then I've got this, the Wet n Wild Mega Contour palette, and I'm definitely keeping this. I also got the Wet n Wild colour icon. This is beautiful on the skin, it really is nice. It's such a beautiful colour, so definitely keeping that one. This Sun Kissed compact in dark, it's too shimmery for me, and it's a nice colour, but I'm just not going to wear it. I'm just going to put the double products. So the Bare Mineral Bronzing Mineral Finishing Powder, I think I'm going to keep this one and try it. This was my contour colour. I used to love this and this one. They were beautiful, but this broke, and that one's together. They were nice, but apart, this is just the wrong cool toned one for me. So, but it's old, so this can go in the bin. They're keeping the Physician Formula bronzer, and Physician Formula bronzer haven't used, so I'm going to put that in my drawer. Avon Shimmer Glow Dust, It wants binning, guys. It's old. The Sun Chic. This is what I use for me glitter face, but I wouldn't wear it. It is really old. It's W7, so that can go in the bin. This Light and Diffuse, I've tried it. I don't like it. I don't like the smallness of it, so that can go. My Kevin Kwan is definitely staying, 100%. My Tarte the Sculptor is 100% staying. So this Kiko bronzer I've actually been loving recently, so definitely keeping that. So are these highlights? Are these, I just don't know, because it says just golden sugar on it. So like, really it ought to be in, in my thingy. Oh, it's Ultra Blush Palette. Well, that's probably why then. I'm not going to use it. I used like so many different things. This is a new, and this is the medium. It just wants throwing, guys. It's that old. So I've got the Tarte one, and I've used this a couple of times and I really don't like it. Really don't like it, so that can go. This is the Kevin Kwan one that was in my project pan last year and didn't finish it, but that can go in the bin. This Miss Beauty bronzer is actually really nice, so I'm actually going to put this in here to use. This e.l.f. clarifying pressed powder, it's too dark for me, but it's not a bronzer either, so it's more like a face powder, so that definitely can go. This e.l.f. is broken, so with the amount of bronzers I've got, I can happily throw that away. This Kiko one is really gorgeous. It really is nice. You sort of have to do that, but it's beautiful and it gives off a slight sheen, so definitely keeping that one. Oh, here's my aqua one. This I absolutely love and I'm keeping that. This Collection Glow, I don't like it, so that can go. Miss Beauty London bronzer. What I might do is actually put this to test to see how I like it. The Rimmel Match Perfection, I've swatched it, guys, so I'm definitely keeping that one. So this Bare Mineral in R310, I think what I'm going to do with this one as well is test it, because I'm not 100% sure on it. So we've got the Eye Definition Exclusive by HD Brows bronzer. This is another one that I want to try because I've not tried it. This bronzer is so old it just wants throwing away. This is a sculpting palette from Smashbox, and to be honest, I've used that colour and that is it, so I'm actually going to get rid of that. Another Avon bronzer. This is like a shimmer brick one. No, it's not performing like it used to. This just wants throwing away. Another e.l.f. clarifying powder, that can just gone. This e.l.f. like that, it would actually be a really nice blush, so I'm keeping that. I'm going to put that in my blush pile. This colour wheel from NYC, getting rid of. This is from Beauty Pie, and again it had a gold overlay on it, I want to give this a try. So I think this is pressed powder, so it shouldn't even be in this pot. Okay, so that obviously needs to go in the powder drawer because I will use that as a powder, or I'll try to. So I'm definitely keeping my Body Shop one. 100%. I do really like that one. This elf one I used to love, but like I say, it's broke, so it wants to be binning. I have not used this, as you can tell, so it's definitely going to be a keeper. Revolution bronzer. This is like £3, guys, and it's so nice. It's just so big, but I'm definitely keeping that one. Same as with this Clarence one. I just love the packaging. Oh yeah, I have used it and it was gorgeous. So obviously that's a keeper. We've got a L'Oreal Glam Bronze, and I find this is nice for sculpting with because it's more of a grey toned. I'm definitely keeping that. This Makeup Obsession Live Love London, I've only just bought this in. It's actually a blush, but it's too dark for a blush, so I'm going to obviously use it as a bronzer. This Naked Skin, Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter, I like, but I just find that I don't reach for it as much. So yeah, that's just gonna go. This elf bronzing palette, I have swatched these, so I'm actually going to probably give that to my daughter because she's always moaning she's not got enough bronzers. Then I've got this MAC, it's actually a concealer in NW55, and it's beautiful for contouring for me, so I'm definitely keeping that one. My Urban Decay one, so I'll probably pass it on to my daughter. These Freedom ones are way too light for my skin, so that can go. Another Avon brick, that needs binning. The Mosaic powder, I would like to give this another go. Can go in the to test. That is just gorgeous and I do love that, so that's staying. And also the L'Oreal Glam Brow Bronzer, that's definitely staying. I've got the NARS Laguna, that is 100% staying. So the Tarte Mini Sculpting one, and the same with this Hula one, I am keeping both of them because they are gorgeous. That is it. Pretty impressed with myself, to be honest. So let's go and put them back in the drawer. Oh, sorry, I forgot one. This is the Revolution bronze palette, and yes, I am keeping this. So guys, I've just put them in, and then I'm going to put these in. I'm going to have to sort of lay them like that because they're big. So if I do that. So guys, I am quite happy now of how many I've got. It's a manageable amount. So guys, I'm throwing 12 away and process of passing on this 17. So, and then this 4 that I'm actually going to test. So I think I did rather well with that myself. Guys, thanks ever so much for watching, and if you enjoy these declutters, then carry on watching because more will probably become. Any comments, leave them down below. And also guys, if you're new to my channel, would love you to hit the subscribe button and come and actually meet me and not just hear about me. So bye.